Looking to make money taking surveys? Online surveys offer a straightforward path to earning extra cash and reaching financial goals quickly. Explore top legitimate survey sites such as Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each platform boasts unique availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When selecting survey sites, consider factors like reputation, survey quantity, and payout options. To maximize earnings, complete profiles thoroughly, seize free offers, and prioritize high-paying surveys. Follow best practices including creating a separate email address, taking regular breaks, and installing antivirus software to ensure a smooth survey-taking experience. Watch out for red flags indicating potentially illegitimate survey sites, such as membership fees, absence of customer reviews, and demanding qualification processes. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate endeavors, typically taking around 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some platforms even offer instant cash rewards or signing bonus points. Companies rely on surveys to gather valuable market insights and consumer feedback, compensating individuals for their participation. Start making money today by participating in online surveys.